First, shampoo hair using Royal Treatment Bond and Repair Clarifying Shampoo and Royal Treatment Bond and Repair Clarifying Treatment. Section into 4 quadrants with a released hairline to use as a guideline for length. Starting in the back quadrants, cut with no tension and create your desired guideline. After creating the guide, cut sections horizontally using natural fall. Once past the occipital bone, you can walk your guide to the front. Turn head to the side to give you a perfect horizontal line before cutting. Continue until the front quadrant is complete, following the same sectioning on the previous front quadrant. Comb hair diagonally to the back, starting at the apex. Bring back and point cut to create movement. Take a guideline from the previous section and bring it to the center to cut. Using a 1 to 1 1/2 mixing ratio, mix CHI Bleach and Shine plus 20 volume CHI Color Generator plus 3 pumps of Bond Rebuilder for root retouch. Mist hair with Bond and Seal, and apply Formula 1 to new growth only. Make sure to lift the hair off the scalp to let oxygen in and to saturate the hairline to get an even lift. The underneath formula, Formula 2, mix 2 ounces violet additive plus 1/2 ounce 8V plus 3.75 grams of blue additive plus 1 ounce 10 volume CHI Color Generator. Apply from the root to the ends on exterior and in the crown only on the root. Mid-shaft and ends apply Formula 3, which is 1 ounce 11I plus 1 ounce violet additive plus 1 ounce 10 volume CHI Color Generator. Process for 30 minutes.